Yo, hello everybody, and thanks for everybody. Yeah. Today. So let's go. It's very interesting. Who make the repairs for gearboxes, something else. I will show you today the difference from 3 gearboxes of the MMT system with the 5 gearboxes, 5-speed gearboxes. We have 3 modifications. 3. It's Corolla Versa 1.8. Ours, it's like the Corolla, the same 1.6 petrol. And one we have the diesel. It's a Yaris diesel. Yes, it's a diesel, 1.4 diesel. Yaris or Corolla or Versa. I'm not talking in this video about Aigo, Yaris small petrol, because them has different gearbox, different. And this all 3 models has like same the gearboxes, okay? So at this moment I have all 3 gearboxes, and I want to make the video also for me to the future, and for everybody who will give some issues. You know, sometimes the gearbox is broken and it's very hard to find another one from robot, from MMT. How we can mix between the gearboxes to that the car will still drive, and no problem. Okay, so let's go. You see? Oh. So let's go. So as I told, I have 3 gearboxes. This one from diesel, this one 1.6 Auris Corolla, and this one from Versa. So I will start from the case of the box of the gearbox. Okay, aluminum. Let's go. You see, from Versa it's different. Even when it starter, it's very different. Okay, this Verso 1.6 diesel. Let's go from this upper side. I think and I see that this upper side, it's the same. This one, now this one, yes, just yes, and this one, yes, it's the same, all the same, and the cover of the fifth gears also the same. This holds, yes, holds, yes, the same, really. Now let's check from this side. Yes, so all these 3 upper side is the same. Okay, but downside is the different from all gears boxes. Look, this like this, but no, it's the different. From Versa it's different. He has own his one, but this and this like but we have some difference. Not on this. You see, this different, What is this? I don't know. In this side we don't have. Ah, I know. Look, this we have some mount, and this is the reason why it has this aluminium. This don't has this mount, and on this side, yes, you see it's different. This also different. So all three gearboxes has different downside difference. Yes, this okay. Okay, let's go. Так, this is the fifth gear. As you can see, in the diesel it's small. This much more bigger and this bigger. I think that the Verso and 1.6 it's the same. Let's check it. Yes, it's the same. It's the same. This from this gearbox. Okay. And this it's smaller. You see? If you want that your Toyota 1.6 or Verso will going faster, you can install this fifth gear from diesel and it will like a rocket. Okay, so go on. Let's remove the gears. Okay, so I removed the covers and look at this. What we have? We have a difference of the main gear number. As look, this is the from diesel. This diesel, it has 67 T's. It's from Otis, it has 77 T's, and from Verso it has 69 T's. Okay, and also different is that we have big bearing, small bearing, and big bearing. Verso and diesel has the same bearing but different differential. Okay, so now I will shaft. Let's check the shaft. This from this gearbox, I remember, and this from this gearbox. Okay. Так, this from Verso, 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 Verso. This from Verso, and this from diesel. Diesel. Okay, let's go. Okay, now I will compare all three pair of the shafts and will say what is the difference. Okay, so I compared all three, these shafts, and these shafts. And what I want to tell you, the Verso, as look. No, first of all shafts has difference with the main gear. This, and this. It's them different. But the first shaft on the look, I counted the gears. This is from Verso. It's first gear, reverse, second, third, fourth. No, fifth gear, it's understand that is different, okay? This is the 1.6, first, second, or reverse, second, third, fourth, and this from diesel. It's the same. Diesel and the petrol, it's the first shaft is the same, but second shaft has different the main gear, and as you can see, this it's don't has the bush, and this has bush. Oh, my friend come. How are you? So also from Versa also has the bush, but the inside dimension like this. Look, this is the bearing. It's this bearing, and it has 33 millimeters. And look at this. It means this bush has 33 millimeters inside. And this one, how much? The same. You see? What it means? It means that we can mix, and one important thing that the sensor of the gearbox count the gears of the second gear, and we have the same number of the teeth, 21, 21 and 21. So we can mix as we want. Just if we have the big bearing, we need to buy, for example, we have the big bearing and we want to install this one. Okay, we need to buy this bearing, take the bush, install on this shaft. If we want to install those shafts to the petrol, we need to remove this bush and it will come on. You see, it's a little smaller. But this is gearbox. Алло, пап, я тебе перезвоню. As look, what I think. If you will install, for example, I just don't know. Yes, you see, this and this. No, Versa and Corolla I think will the same speed. But if you will install from diesel to the petrol, it will rocket. But if you will install from petrol to diesel, it will I don't know, like turtle. You understand me? That's all. Yes. Now we need to install some of mixed gear to some car to check how it will working. But I see that we can mix the parts. For example, if you have the broken gearbox and you can't find it gearbox, you can find from another MMT. Maybe also from another manual gearbox from Toyota. I don't know. I don't check it. Maybe if I will have this chance, I will check it. So thank you. If you need some help, some parts, call me, message me, feel free to contact.